Oh, I got a fish. Yeah, it's pretty big. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, okay. Oh. Did I get snagged? Is it a fish? Oh, it's a fish!
Oh, it's pike.
Yeah. I got snagged and the fish.
Oh, you want net?
Yeah. It's a baby pike. Oh. Woohoo! I'll let him go. He's too small. Hey, we're not skunked. I got another one. I think it's a bass. Oh, get the net. Woohoo! Oh, is it a big mouth? Small guy.
Is it big now?
Okay. Oh, cast there. Sorry. Oh, it's not. Yeah, just cast.
No, it's too long.
Oh, I got a bite. Oh, don't cast over there. It's really snaggy.
Where?
That direction, like over there, between those two grass paths. All right to the right.
Oh,
Okay, don't cast into my head. Yeah! Oh, I got a fish. Yeah, it's pretty big. Oh, it's a pike.
let's keep
Big
him.
pike.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, that's it. Nice.
Let's keep him.
Okay. Oh!
I think your color is better.
Same color. love this engine. Oh! This is a small one. Oh, it's a perch. Sure. Oh, it's actually like decent sized perch.
You want photo?
Hmm?
You want a photo?
Sure. I thought I called a bite. Oh, we got a fish? Oh! Oh, let me get the net. Do you need the net? Oh. Let me reel in my lure.
This is bad.
It's a bass? Do you want to hold him? By his mouth.
It's smallmouth.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Baby.
Bye.
Nice catch.
Hey, my favorite.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you like this video. I'll be posting every Friday afternoon. I'll see you guys on the water.